children, welcome back to grade 4 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, today I am going to discuss on the topic external memory. Let's understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to know and understand about external memory. Children, let's begin external memory. It is a device that is used to store information for a longer period. Data is not lost in the external memory even when the computer is turned off. The external memory is essential because the internal memory of a computer has a limited storage capacity. It is also called the secondary memory. When you run a program, it is copied from the secondary storage into the internal memory. Let us learn about storage devices. In our daily life, we use many storage devices such as cupboard, bookshelf, refrigerator, school bag, etc. to store various relevant items in them. Similarly, a computer also uses various storage devices to store data in them, which vary in storage capacity. Example, hard disk, pen drive, CD, etc. These are permanent or non-volatile storage devices. These are some of the examples of external memory. Let's discuss about these in detail. Hard disk. It is the main storage medium for computers. It is made up of collection of disks known as platters. It can hold a large amount of data. Children, it will be fixed inside the CPU. You can see here. Hard disk can store up to 8 TB of data. Nowadays, external hard disks are also available, which are small in size and can be carried anywhere. Children, hope you got an idea of hard disk. Let's move to CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage device. A CD is a thin, shiny, circular disc that can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. A CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos. It can be used for data backup and holding software. Children, let's move to DVD. The full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc. The storage capacity varies from 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Blu-ray disc. It is a new optical disc format that can store up to 128 GB of data. This disc is mainly used for storing high quality sound, games and movie data. The name Blu-ray disc is derived from the blue-violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. Let's move to flash drive. It is a plug and play device and can be connected to the USB Universal Serial Bus port. Children, here it is also called as pen drive. Here we have port where we can connect a flash drive or pen drive. This is called as USB port. It is a small, lightweight and removable drive. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. Let's move to memory card. A memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital camera and music players. It can be easily removed from these devices and attached to the computer to access the card. These devices transfer image and sound files into a computer by using memory card reader that can be connected to a computer through USB cable. Nowadays, most of the laptops come with inbuilt card reader port. Children, here you can see in a laptop we can insert directly memory card. Children, hope you understood about external storage devices. Let us end our session with the home play. Draw the mind map given below with their information in the computer notebook and prepare a scrapbook on storage and memory devices. Children, hope you will complete the home play. For better understanding, watch this video once again. Thank you.